Okay, this is my pfister faucet. It was dripping. So what I did is I went in here and I don't know if you can see down there. There's valves down here. There's one for the hot and one for the cold there. I shut the cold one off and the faucet stopped dripping. So I knew that it was the cold side. Don't do like I did. Well, I used a rag and I used this channel locks and it still put little notches in there. This doesn't unscrew. So what you want to do, you want to feel on the back. You want to feel. And if you feel a little hole on the back, what it has, it's a little Allen. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little Allen wrench that fits that. So you don't have to use any wrenches on this at all. You just unscrew it with this little Allen wrench on 2mm. So this little Allen wrench, you unscrew this little Allen at the top and it just backs out. And then this is the part that came out of there. This is the new one. I'm going to put it back. This part came out. I'm putting a new one back in. And then you just screw it back in. It wasn't extremely tight when I took it off, so I'm just going to snug it. Like that. And then this is the model number. It says not to remove that, so I'm going to leave that on there. Put the handle back on. Oop. Handle back on in that direction. You can see where I chewed that up a little bit. Even though I put a rag on it and use these channel locks, it still chewed it a little bit. So don't do that. Use the Allen wrench. Feel on the back, like I said, and if there's a little hole there, you know there's an Allen. So just loosen that, and that will just pull off like that. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe.